Hey, my YouTube family. Another day with another vlog. टाइटल आपने ऑलरेडी रीड कर लिया होगा. आई नो यू आर स्मार्ट पीपल. So the title is Living Alone Diaries. I also want to share my experience in a new city because I have a 3 years of experience in two different cities. First, I lived alone in Noida for 1.5 years and Gurgaon for 1 year. In Noida, I felt good vibes, like my hometown. There was no such difference. Might be I was in the same state, but in Gurgaon, I started feel homesickness. Literally completely detached with everything. Might be I was zoned out. I was depressed. I don't know what's that, but it was very tough for me to survive there. There was another reason too. People, cause your company actually matters, right? You needs to be have a good company. So the people was like they are in and they are in any show where they needs to play a role to be in a good books where they're politically correct. I don't want to take a name, but I wish that I never met with those people and never. Might be few people relate with me who lived alone or living alone. That living alone isn't a task, but the task to find a good company. This time I believe that the best company for you is only you and your dreams. So just live with it. I hope you all have a good day. I wish for the same to me and you all guys. So please now don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.